What's that?
Don't you know what that is? It's an audio device.
I see.
Let's face it. Are you going to tell me your name or what?
I'd rather not. It's actually quite boring. What's in a name, anyways? Besides, we both know the reason you're here is not for my name.
You're right. February 3rd in Atlanta, New England 13, Los Angeles 3. NASDAQ down 400 points as stock index plummets. Typhoon hits Southeast Asia weeks before the start of the rainy season, surprising meteorologists around the globe.
Pretty simple gossip. That's all.
Sports scores, weather predictions, election results, and even murders. You sent these to me days, weeks, months before you could have possibly known about it.
I have been busy.